It's officially wintertime, which means my hair has been feeling extra icky and dry. So today I'm partnering with Naturtint to try out some of their vegan and cruelty-free hair masks. Aren't these mini masks cute? You actually receive one as a complimentary gift when you spend over $60 with Naturtint. Gotta love a good deal. Today I'll be trying Naturtint's Purple Rice Mask. It's perfect for moisturizing and adding shine to the hair. I need all the above. So my hair is freshly washed. I've got my Purple Rice Mask from Naturtint. So I've got a little bit more than a quarter size. Ooh, this feels really, really yummy. I can just feel like, my hair is getting nourished. I'm gonna take a wide tooth comb, start at the ends and detangle my hair. Let it sit for 4 minutes, relax, have a snack, do what you do, and then rinse.